This 2001 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 has 14,838 miles and is finished in Quicksilver Metallic over black leather. Power is provided by a 5.7-liter LS6 V8 linked to a 6-speed manual gearbox and limited slip differential. The 5.7-liter LS6 V8 was based upon the contemporary LS1. It features a refined aluminum block, a higher lift camshaft, a 10.5-to-1 compression ratio, and increased air and oil flow. Factory rated output for the 2001 model year was 385 horsepower and 385 pound-feet of torque. The C5 Z06 was only offered as a fixed-roof coupe for increased chassis stiffness and featured a quad-exit titanium exhaust system, mesh grille inserts, and weight-saving measures such as thinner glass and reduced sound deadening when compared to the standard C5. This example is finished in Quicksilver Metallic and features aftermarket fixed-position headlights as well as Z06 fender badges, rear brake vents, and quad exhaust outlets. The 17 and 18-inch split-spoke alloy wheels are mounted with Continental tires. The Z06 suspension featured a larger front stabilizer bar, increased damping, and a higher spring rate than a standard Corvette. The car is equipped with active handling and traction control systems, speed-sensitive rack-and-pinion power steering, and ventilated disc brakes at all four corners. The cabin features 2 seats upholstered in black leather with red Z06 headrest embroidery. Amenities include a 6-way power-adjustable driver's seat, dual-zone automatic climate control, an onboard computer, cruise control, and a Bose sound system with an in-dash CD player. The leather-wrapped steering wheel fronts a 200-mile-per-hour speedometer and a tach with a 6,500 RPM redline, along with gauges for coolant temp, oil pressure, voltage, and fuel level. Give LRA a call at 215-781-3790. That's 215-781-3790, or email us at sales@lrasales.com to learn more about this Quicksilver Metallic 2001 Corvette Z06.